Welcome back. Let's get you more of the reactions coming in from Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh, who has welcomed the first death penalty awarded as far as the convicts in 1984 riots cases are concerned. He goes on to say justice has finally been meted out to the perpetrators and hopes that others involved in the attacks are also soon brought to book for their horrendous and inhuman acts. All right, let's go across to our executive editor Abhishek Kapoor joining us over the phone line. So Abhishek, the Punjab Chief Minister also welcoming what has been the first conviction in the reopened cases, and this has come rather belated but as a balm on the scars of 1984, because finally there is hope for the victims and their families.
Well, Shivani, yes, in fact, for the 1984 victims, even the search for justice has become a tragedy and a travesty in itself, having taken almost 3 decades and more. But post-2015, there has been an impetus with forming up, setting up of an SIT, reconstitution of an SIT also, because there were some hitches, and now we see some result of that coming out. Results and reactions along expected political lines, but the fact that Captain Amarinder Singh makes a statement welcoming the verdict coming as it does from the Congress party, and wants this process to continue, really show that there is unanimity that justice should be brought to all those who are accused of participating in the 1984 tragedy and the riots.
Absolutely. We'll have to wait and see exactly what the Congress party says at the national level, because remember, several of the leaders are implicated in these cases.